Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Miriam J. So today, I don't know what was wrong with my car, but I need to get it checked out. For some reason, it drove to Burlington Coat Factory and Marshalls today. I was trying to go grocery shopping. I didn't even get groceries today. I was at Burlington and Marshalls all day. As you guys know, we were in quarantine. Almost all department stores were closed, so they were stuck with all of this inventory. Everything that's on the shelves at Burlington, Marshalls, Ross are so last season, so they are heavily marked down. I got so many things for so cheap. So if you guys want to know what I got, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with what I got at Marshalls. The first thing that I got is this acrylic organizer. I really need one. As you guys can see, my background is a little different because I recently installed this IKEA thing that's going on behind me. I'm pretty much giving my beauty room a complete makeover. It's super tall. It has 5 drawers and it was only $24 and it's real acrylic. Actually, wait, hold on. Actually has 7 drawers. The top 2 rows have 2 drawers each. So yeah. So the next thing I got is this Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Remover. I have been wanting one of these for a really long time. When these first came out, these were actually like super expensive. I got this one at Marshalls for $14.99. I'm really excited about it. I grow like a lot of facial hair, like thick facial hair, especially around like my mustache area. And I do have a couple of long hairs that come like in this area right here. I think I got it from my mom. Thanks, Mom. So I feel like this will be like super beneficial, especially for those times where I want to like, you know, pluck my eyebrows and I'm like too lazy. Run this over my eyebrows and it should be good. It's raining outside, so if you hear some storms, you know why. You guys know I live in Florida. Around this time of the year, it rains like every day. So I got a crap ton of makeup blenders from Marshalls as well because I just love the colors. Like, I'm digging the vibe. I don't even know if I'm gonna use these. I think I'm gonna put them in like a cute little jar and just put on one of these shelves for decor. Let me see. Oh my gosh, hold on. These are really soft. No, these are getting used. So this was $10. I use a clean blender every single day, so I feel like this will help, like, so I don't have to wash my makeup blender every day, you know, so I can just grab one, wet it real fast, and, you know, go on about my day. The next thing that I got is this set of sports bras from Lucky Brand. I actually got these not like to work out with, but to sleep with. Like, I don't wear pajamas to sleep or anything like that. I literally wear a sports bra to sleep and that's literally it. I don't even wear like pants or underwear. I don't know why I have it in my mind that if I wear a sports bra to sleep, my boobs will stay up. I know like that myth has been debunked, but I still have it in my mind because I did that for so many years and my boobs sit up. So it cost $12. There's a pink one and a gray one. So yeah. So the next thing that I got are these briefs for guys. I feel like guys have all the nice things because briefs are so freaking comfortable to wear around the house. So I'm just gonna be lounging around the house in these. I feel like it's gonna be super comfortable, and it was only $4.99 and I feel like it was so cute. Like, look, it has like roses and butterflies on it. This is so my vibe. Boys always get the fun stuff. They get the pants with the pockets, they get everything. So the next thing that I got from Marshalls is this basket. I actually really loved it. I actually need extra baskets in my house. Honestly, like, there was another one that was literally just like this and it was just a little bit smaller and I should have got it. Honestly, I might go back tomorrow and get it. Hopefully it's still there, but it was only 24 bucks. The handles are like this like ropey material. This is gonna go in my laundry room or my laundry closet. I'm just gonna put like my bed sheets in this basket. So the next thing that I got from Marshalls is super boring, but I'm an adult now, so yes, I bought a pan from Marshalls. This is this super big pan. The brand is called Domo. It was 34 bucks. Honestly, I needed it because I have 2 big bags of crawfish in my freezer, and I don't know how to make crawfish, but I'm about to learn. But now that I'm looking at it, I don't think it's big enough. So I might have to go back and look for something, maybe something like taller. But yeah, I got a pot. Okay, so now we're moving on to what I got at Burlington. So this is also a little boring, but I got this cabinet basket. Pretty much you attach it to the cabinet door and you put your cleaning products in the basket, so when you open the door, your cleaning products are super accessible. Honestly, I really needed this. I really need to organize under my sink. So the next thing that I got are these 2 floral arrangements. I freaking love them. They are so my vibe, and they were on sale for $7 at Burlington. They have like the fake water at the bottom. I'm not really sure what it is. Is it silicone? Is it epoxy? I have no idea what it is, but it's like a little jelly that's supposed to mimic water or whatever. But I do like how that looks, and they're white and they're cute and they're classic and they'll match anything. So yeah. So the next thing that I got are these floral arrangements as well. These were also $7. They have this like blushy, pinky, orangey thing going on, and I just freaking love. Also, it has the little like fake water in it as well, whatever it is. I have no idea what it's called. Comment down below if you know what this like jelly type thing is called. But I love it. I don't know where I'm gonna put them yet. I don't know where you're gonna go, but you gotta go somewhere in my house because you're only $7. So come here. Maybe won't you come my way? I also got this arrangement, and I already know exactly where this is gonna go. This is gonna go in my kitchen. This was also $7. It's cute, it's pink, it's girly. It also has that little fake water at the bottom that we don't know what it's called. So I love getting my candles from department stores like Marshalls and Ross and TJ Maxx, Burlington, because they're so freaking cheap. Like this candle was $3.99, and it is from this brand called Proper White, and the scent is Summer Bloom. You guys, it smells so good. I love sweet smelling candles. Like that's just my vibe, you know. I just love sweet smelling things, so I feel like this smells so good. This really does smell like summer. So I got a few jewelry pieces from Burlington as well. I don't know, like they just had such cute trendy like pieces today. Like these are gonna be so pretty on me. These are only $4.99, and you know I had to re-up on some hoops. Anytime I go to Burlington, I have to get hoops. Another thing I like about Burlington hoops, they don't typically like sell earrings that are made of metals that are irritants, if that makes sense. I also got these. These are so freaking cute. These are $4.99. This is so adorable. Yo, I was actually really surprised when I found these. These are such a vibe. These are so cute. Look at the little details on the bottom. And they're Steve Madden, and they were $1.49 though. You know these had to find its way in my cart. You already know. These are Steve Madden earrings as well. I just think it's so cute. It's such a vibe. So adorable. I love the pearl detailing on it, and this was also $1.49, so you know I had to buy this. I also picked up some of these hair clips. I always find myself needing these whenever I'm doing my hair. And they were only $2.99, so why not? So this is boring, but I got a paper towel dispenser because I really needed one. Like the one I have is like a cheap one that I found at Walmart. It's super flimsy, super cheap. So this one is way more heavy duty. It's bottom heavy. Isn't this beautiful? This is such a vibe. I also got this BB eye makeup collection. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, like when I saw it, I was like, oh, these are just cheap brushes. I'm just gonna put these, you know, in a cup, use it as decor. But when I like got up close, I was like, yo, wait, these are some really good brushes. Like there's a whole blending brush right here. There's quite a few blending brushes actually, like, and it's not like those cheap blending brushes. So my camera overheated again, but as you can see, there might be a couple of things in my background that are a little different because I put some stuff up. So I got these BB makeup removing wipes. They came with 2 packs. One pack is like more of like a travel size and it has 30 wipes, and the other one is a normal size and it has 60 wipes. I got the rose oil and the aloe vera ones. I typically don't use makeup wipes. The reason I got them is because, one, they're fragrance free. Yeah, they have alcohol, but it's kind of like down there on the list. So when I'm doing my makeup, sometimes I put the makeup on the back of my hand, like just to warm it up. It will be nice to have something that's on my vanity that I can just wipe it off with, so I don't transfer it onto like my clothes or anything else. It just, you know, helps the cleaning process. Oh, and these wipes were $4.99. The next thing that I got are these wipes. They are antiseptic wipes. You guys know, with everything going on, you need to be sanitized all the time. So I bought these so I can keep them in my car. Then again, I live in Florida. It's probably a really bad idea to keep these in the car because they will probably dry out in like 3 days. The active ingredients in these wipes are benzalkonium chloride. It's 0.1%. They are an antiseptic, so kills 99.9% bacteria, but not viruses. I just thought about that. Wait, so like when we use like hand sanitizer, do they kill viruses too, or is it just bacteria? So this might not protect you from the coronavirus. Who knows? Well, I have them and they're good to have. The next thing I got is this spray bottle. It's an aluminum spray bottle and it says beautiful on it. You guys probably can't see it because it's super bright yellow. This was $3.99. The next thing that I got is this sunscreen. It's by Bare Republic. It is a mineral sunscreen, I guess. The active ingredient in it is zinc oxide. I actually got this to keep in the car because when you're driving, especially again in Florida or really anywhere, that direct sunlight on your hands, like when your hands are on the wheel, stop it. You don't want to show any signs of aging on your hands because that's one of the first places that we age. Also, like your chest getting hit with direct sunlight if you're wearing like a tank top or, you know, something a little more revealing, get some sunscreen. So I got some sunscreen to keep in the car. I just hope this doesn't stink. Oh my gosh, it doesn't stink. Oh, yes, I hate sunscreen that stinks. Like there's this like distinct smell that some sunscreens have and I just absolutely hate it. This actually smells really good. I'm really surprised, but this is how it dried down on my hands. I'm black. What are you gonna do? So the next thing that I got is this room spray. I just think it's so fancy looking. It's by Ashton and Moore, London design, and the smell is peony and plum. And it's in a glass bottle, and just look at the vibe. It looks like a perfume. I hope nobody gets it confused. Oh. Why is it a direct spray? It smells good though, but why is it so direct? Like it's like it projectiles. You don't want that for a room spray. That's something you want in a perfume, but whatever. I guess I'll spray it on the carpet and not like in the air. But I like it. The next thing that I got are these bar mop towels. I don't even know what that means, but I just know I needed more towels in my kitchen, and these are highly absorbent. So yeah, I got these for $4.99. So they come in pink, gray, white, blue, and dark gray. All right, so the next set of things that I got are snacks. You guys know that you can't go to Burlington or Marshalls or TJ Maxx or Ross or Home Goods without trying a snack. You can't. You have to buy a snack. Anyway, as I was waiting in that super long line, I went down the aisle of doom, which is the aisle right before you get to the register where they have all these little goodies that you can grab. I am a victim. So I got some chili mangoes. I don't know. I just know I love mangoes. Actually, hold on. Before I eat, I'm going to use my antiseptic wipes to kill the bacteria on my hands. See, they're coming in handy. They don't have a smell. Like, they have a little smell, but it's not like, what is that? Okay, so these are chili mangoes. So they're, I always look at the ingredients. Yes, they are mangoes. There's no other ingredient but mango and chili and like some sugar and stuff. But let's try it. Yo, that's spicy. Woo! It's good though. Oh my god. Okay. The next snack that I got is from Bua. I don't know. They're dried jackfruit. Let's see. I like jackfruit. So this is how it looks. I didn't know jackfruit was sweet. Literally, the only ingredient is jackfruit and canola oil. This is good. The next snack that I got are by Martin's. They're just crispy apple crisps. The only ingredient are apples. Okay, so this is how it looks. I love dried apples. These are good. These are good. So the last snack that I got are sweet potato crisps. I love sweet potato crisps or chips, whatever. The only ingredients that are in this are sweet potatoes, non-hydrogenated vegetable oil, and sea salts. Why does it look like this? There's like 2 different kinds in this bag. There's also this kind. This is what I picture sweet potatoes looking like. They both taste the same. I like them. They're good. I'm gonna do some ASMR for you guys. Probably made some people cringe with that one. Actually, the very last thing that I got is this bag. It was 99 cents and it says, enjoy the little things. It's pretty cute. Well, all right, that is everything that I got from Burlington and Marshalls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like videos like these because I'm literally constantly shopping at these stores. But thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've made it to this point, thank you for watching it till the end. It really does help. Don't forget to like and comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on all my socials. I will link them all down below. And I will also conveniently place a video right here for you to click on to watch next.